Today I will be demonstrating you how to control an LED with the help of push button. So first take the required materials. First take an Arduino, a breadboard, one LED, one 2-pin push button. You can see here there is 2 pin. Then some jumpers. Now I will be doing the connection. For that, first take an Arduino and breadboard, and now take an LED. Select the cathode and anode side. You can see the smaller part is cathode, the larger part is anode. So I am just inserting left side to cathode and right side to anode like this. And now keep it here. Now bend this here. Now take 2 jumper wires. Connect the cathode side to the ground. Now connect the anode side of the LED to digital pin 4. Now the LED connection is done. Now I come up with push button. Now take this 2-legged push button, insert it here like this. And now take another 2 jumper wires. Now insert it like this. From one side it will be going to digital pin 5. After digital pin 4 it is digital pin 5. So insert it in digital pin 5 and the other one to ground. Now the connection is done. Now connect the Arduino cable to the laptop like this. Now in the Arduino you can see the on light. And now I will be uploading the code. For that, first go to the tools, select the board, that is Arduino Uno from here. Then next go to the port and select COM3. Now the port is set up. Now will be just upload by clicking on this button. Now you can see that it's compiled done. Then uploading is also done. That's it. Now this is the output. If I press the button, the LED will turn on. If I leave, it will turn off. Again, until I leave the button, it will be turned on. And again, if I leave, it will be turned off. So this is the, you can control it using the push button. Now coming to the code explanation, I will be tell you these 2 lines after everything. Now we'll just start with void setup. I already said you that whatever things that I have used inside the void setup, that will be run only once. Okay, so here there is pin mode. Pin mode means the pin is connected to which mode, that is input or output. So first in the digital pin 4 we are using LED. So LED is an output, so we are declaring it here. Then in pin mode number 5 we are using input pull up. Actually input pull up is a type of input. Okay, in input itself we have 2 types, that is normal input and input pull up. In this project actually we are using input pull up because we have used 2-pin button. We have to use this input pull up, which means we are using input. Okay, from the button we are taking out the input. Then comes the void loop. Void loops, we know that what are the things that we are used inside the void loop. It will runs repeatedly. Okay, so In the first line it is telling that digital read. Digital read is nothing but actually it will read the button. Suppose we are pressing the button, the digital value will be low. If suppose I am like not pressing the button, its value will be high. Okay, based on the pressing the button, the button value will be stored here. Okay, if I press the button, it will be low. If I leave the button, it will be high. So if suppose I am if I am not pressing the button value will be high. So in if suppose I am not pressing the button, the digital rate of LED will be low, which means the LED won't glow. Okay, or else if suppose I am pressing the button, then the button value will be low. Okay, while pressing it will be button value will be low. So if then this condition will come here, that is LED will be high, which means LED will turn on. So while I am pressing, the LED will turn on. If I leave the button, it will turn off. Okay, this is the code explanation for that. But I said you that I will be explaining the two lines of the code. What is the use of this actually? Actually, in our previous project, we have actually directly used the, like in the pin mode we have directly put 4 5. Okay, but instead of this we can also use it like this, like it is nothing but storing and using. Okay, instead of putting the numbers directly, we can use some words. So this is actually used when suppose in this project actually we are having only one LED and one push button. If suppose we are having 3 to 5 LEDs, okay, we have a lot of components, so it will be very difficult to find that which LED is connected to which digital pin. So for that purpose, we if we name the digital pin, that is instead of 4, if we name the digital pin as LED or LED number 1, so that we can like we can name each LED differently, so that we can understand very easily. For that purpose only we are using it. Okay, but we can also use it like simply like 4 or 5. No difference will be done. Okay, this is just for understanding purpose I am telling you. Okay, fine.